Hello, today we are going to learn about Oracle Analytics Correlation Scatter Matrix Custom Plugin. The Scatter Matrix Custom Plugin is a grid of scatter plots that shows the correlation between multiple variables. Each plot in the matrix visualizes the relationship between a pair of variables, allowing you to analyze many relationships in one chart. You can download this plugin from the Oracle Analytics custom extensions. Here is the scatter plot matrix. You can download it from here. Once downloaded, import it to your Oracle Analytics and use it for your analysis. Let us consider the World Happiness Report dataset for our analysis. This dataset is a compilation of survey data that measure people's self-reported well-being and happiness across various countries. It scores and ranks countries based on their level of happiness. We are interested to understand the relationship between the variables and visualize it together in one chart. For this, let us select the scatter matrix. Let me select country in the category grammar, score GDP per capita, healthy life expectancy, and perception of corruptions in the values grammar. Here in the color grammar. The visualization shows 4 by 4 matrix because we have selected 4 variables in the values grammar. Each box represents the correlation between two variables. For example, consider the top left box that shows the correlation between perceptions of corruption in the x-axis and GDP per capita in the y-axis. We can observe here that GDP per capita is positively correlated with the happiness score. Healthy life expectancy is also positively correlated to happiness score. This plugin comes up with two interesting parameters. One is grid lines. You can either switch it on or off. Another parameter is to adjust the dot size. You can set the dot size as per your requirement. I found this plugin very useful because it helps me visualize pairwise relationships at one go. It is easier to spot correlations and outlier detection. Thanks for watching.